Okay everyone, this is a quick video to show you how to update the firmware on the GP Star pack and WAN boards. If you're unfamiliar with GitHub, this is literally where all the files and documentation, everything related to the GP Star kit is updated and stored. But if navigating GitHub is a little tricky for some of you, you can head over to our official website and click on support and downloads. And here you'll find the sound files and all the firmware update files that you need. So regardless of which website you use, the instructions are the same. So first off, you're going to need to download the firmware flasher. So if you're on Windows, you're going to want to click here. If you're on Mac, you want to download here. After that, download the firmware for the Proton pack and the one for the Neutrona WAN. Next, navigate to the folder that you have the files downloaded. Open up the firmware flasher. Plug in the Proton pack board with the included programming cable and connect it to your USB on your computer. Then you're going to want to grab the Proton pack file here and drag it over. And then select the COM port that your USB cable is connected to, and then click upload. And then that's it. You have updated your Proton pack board to the latest firmware. Now unplug it and do the same with the Neutrona WAN. Plug in your Neutrona WAN board. And then this time, grab the Neutrona WAN file and drag that over. And then upload that one. And that's it, you're done. And for you Mac users, it's the same thing. Load up the firmware flasher, select the Proton pack file, select the right port that your cable is connected to, and upload. And once that's done, just go ahead and do the same thing to your Neutrona WAN. All right, that's it. Nice and easy, guys. See you next time. Thanks.